Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to walk you through how to withdraw crypto from Pionex and send it to an external wallet or platform. This is perfect if you want to manage your funds outside of Pionex or move them to another exchange. Once you're logged into your Pionex account, head over to Wallet Gives Withdraw. Here, you'll be able to select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Click the drop-down arrow, search for your desired token, and select it. After that, you'll see a list of networks available for that specific crypto. It's really important to choose the network that matches the wallet or platform you're sending to, because selecting the wrong one could result in lost funds. Then, enter the withdrawal address and the amount you want to transfer. Once you've double-checked everything, click Submit. Gives Continue. Next comes the security verification. Pionex will ask for your SMS code, email code, or Google Authenticator code. Keep in mind that SMS and email codes are valid for 8 minutes, and Google Authenticator codes refresh every 30 seconds, so make sure to enter them quickly. After entering the code, click Confirm Gives, OK, and your withdrawal will be processed. You can track the status in your wallet, and that's it. You've successfully moved your crypto out of Pionex. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future crypto tutorials.